Hi, I am Govi Rao, CEO of Phase Change Energy Solutions. I have worked with the LRC for over 2 decades, starting with my days in Phillips Lighting. And I have witnessed the team at LRC consistently invest in multidisciplinary research and education in all aspects of lighting technologies and applications. In keeping with their DNA, of being the preeminent source of objective and timely information about lighting technologies and applications, the LRC has been studying the impact of Industry 4.0, including concepts like AI, machine learning, and additive manufacturing. Now, additive manufacturing could revolutionize lighting because custom designs can now be implemented on the job site, avoiding costly shipping and warehousing. To make additive manufacturing real and viable, however, the optical, thermal, and electrical elements must all work together. And to ensure success, the precise measurements of the different characteristics need to be developed and integrated, which is precisely one of the core capabilities of the LRC. Now, combining the industry stewardship of LRC in being the nucleus of independent writing research, along with their collaborative model of partnering with a global network of leading manufacturers and government agencies, is an ideal setting to provide high quality, interactive, and high impact learning for aspiring leaders.